Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Chisomceciliaokeke and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my love, hey bestie, what's up, what's good? Welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, we are going to do some hair care, okay? This is a hair vlog. If you guys know, I just got back from the NYSC camp. If you do not know, go check my previous vlogs, okay? Yeah, I just got back from the NYSC camp. And I'm like, what's better way to, start this new year with my besties other than, getting a new hair just so that I can come back and start doing videos back to back for you guys. So let's go get my hair done. I am, going to make French curls today. It's something I've always loved, if you guys know. And I'm getting one from Ayya hair. So I'll get to their store first and, pick up my hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys, okay?
Take all of my problems away. Just give me a break. I need you to stay. Ooh. Take all of my problems away. You're the only one who knows what to do. I cannot stand us apart. I just wanna love you. I know that you still do. So tell me what you gonna do. Cause my life's a problem without you. Be careful. My heart is broken, you know now. I need you.
Hey guys, I just picked up my hair. I'm about to braid right now for you guys. So let's do this. Guess the color I'm wearing, you guys. It is so out of my regular stuff. Let's see.
Take all of my problems away. Just give me a break. I need you to stay.
So yes guys, I just got to the salon and I'm preparing to get my braids done. I decided to wash my hair because I needed my braids to last longer and not look old just fast. I blow dried my hair as well. So this is the hair extensions I'll be using for my braid. This is Ayya hair in ginger, will be 30 inches. It also comes in different lengths. So I decided to go with this color because I needed something different than my usual blonde and all of that. So yeah, this is just us starting out. I'll catch up with you guys towards the end of the video to share my experience with you guys. So I'll let you guys enjoy the video. Okay, bye.
Need you to trust me, cause baby I get the chills when I'm looking at you. Yeah, you know my love does something to you. Yeah, you know that no one knows you like I do. Baby, come on. Take all of my problems away. Just give me a break. I need you to stay. Ooh. Take all of my problems away. You're the only one who knows what to do. I cannot stand us apart. I just wanna love you. I know that you still do. So tell me what you gonna do. Cause my life's a problem without you.
Hey guys, this is 3 days later after I got my braids done. I'm super in love with this hair. I'm so obsessed with my braids. I love it. Absolutely love this hair. It's giving classy, it's giving rich, it's giving luxury. Well, yeah, I really, really love the hair. This hair is from Ayya Hair. Like I said before, they have a store in Lagos and they have a store in Abuja. Definitely going to link everything you guys need in the description box. And they have a website. Do check out their website. They have varieties. They have a whole lot of colors. They have a whole lot of length. I got mine in 30 inches. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got mine in 30 inches ginger ruby. I absolutely love this color. At first, I was in doubt, but I'm loving it. But yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. For maintenance, I know most of you guys will be saying, oh, how do I maintain silky braids and all of that? For maintenance, all you need to do is, get a conditioner from Ayya Hair and, apply on it once or twice wherever you want to go out. Just apply. I don't know the regular this thing, but I just apply mine whenever I want to go out and stuff, and it just comes back. And trust me, this hair is reusable. You could actually use this hair twice or even 3 times depending on how you take care of it. Also guys, I'll advise, do not take this hair to any kind of braider because not everybody can actually get these braids done. I'm not joking. If you want my braider, I'm definitely going to link her Instagram in the description box, but not everybody can get it right, and I'm talking from experience, no jokes. Not everybody can get it right, so go to a professional to get your braids done. I absolutely love this hair because there was no stress. Once you're done braiding, that's it. There was no reason to put hot water. There was no reason to do extra. Just trim it, put some mousse and all of that, and then you're good to go. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with this hair because I'm going to pack it in different ways that I absolutely love. So here's how I packed this one, like this, half up and half down. I'm going to show you guys all of that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Until then, keep staying beautiful, keep being the best version of yourself, keep being the fine babe that you are, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye.